everyone and welcome back to my channel. Join us as we visit Washington, D.C. and the surrounding areas. Washington is a city within the District of Columbia. It is the nation's capital and it is not a state, it is a territory. Washington is also bordered by Maryland on the south and northeast and Virginia on the west and southwest. Come and join us, let's go! Outdoor pool and an indoor pool at Embassy Suites Hilton. This automatic door. That's like the bar area. It's where we eat breakfast. Lobby. Elevator. Going out to the front. This is a double room with one bathroom. Hi, Mom. We're back at Five Guys Burgers. This is our favorite burgers place in the U.S. They have branched out throughout the U.S. and they originated in Arlington, Virginia in 1986 as a family-owned business. We are heading to Lincoln Memorial. That's the gift shop and cafe, and you can rent those bikes. This is the Lincoln Memorial. It was completed in May 1922 in honor of the 16th U.S. President Abraham Lincoln. Here, a grateful nation honors a martyred president who is the 16th President of the United States, Abraham Lincoln. He guided the country through civil war and freed 4 million enslaved persons. Washington Monument in the background is named after our first U.S. President, George Washington. This is the World War II Memorial. It is a national memorial in the United States dedicated to the Americans who served in World War II. It is located in the National Mall of Washington, D.C. We're here at World War II Veteran Memorial. And over there is the Washington Monument. The Washington Monument, named after George Washington, the first U.S. President, is 555 feet and 5 inches tall. It is the tallest stone structure in the world. That's Lincoln Memorial across the water. This is Glenwood's, formerly known as Stanford Grill. It is located at 2000 Tower Oaks Boulevard, Rockville, Maryland. Here they have great food, great service, and there's a very nice ambience. We're on our way to Georgetown University in Washington, D.C. This is outside. We are heading to Ben's Chili Bowl, an iconic restaurant in Washington, D.C. It was founded in 1958 by Ben and Virginia Ali. While many businesses on U Street were looted or burned, Ben's Chili Bowl was the only establishment allowed to remain open during the city's curfew. According to Virginia Ali, the co-founder, Ben's became the place for the community to come together during this period of crisis. On the night of April 4th, 1968, when Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated, the restaurant became a safe place for residents, activists, and even law enforcement during the turmoil that followed. Ben's Chili Bowl is famous for its half-smokes, which are a type of sausage similar to a hot dog but larger and spicier. It is a mix of beef and pork with a smoky flavor. Ben's signature dish is the chili half-smoke, which is griddled, not baked, and served on a warm bun, and generously topped with their house-made chili, onions, and mustard. This is Virginia Ali's famous banana pudding. It has fresh slices of banana in it, and it's very delicious. This is the Clarksburg Premium Outlets. It's located at 22705 Clarksburg Road in Clarksburg, Maryland. There is a wide variety of different branded shops such as Levi's, Old Navy, Nike, Adidas, and more. Buffalo Wild Wings originated in 1982, and it's very famous for its chicken wings with various sauces and its sports bar theme atmosphere in the restaurant. It has expanded throughout the US and also internationally. Here in Washington, D.C. in front of Oki Bowl. Oki Bowl is a ramen restaurant that opened in 2014. It offers a fusion of Japanese and Thai food, and it is known for its eclectic, unique, artistic atmosphere. There's your Daisy. It's very hot outside today, so we're just driving around the National Mall area and around the White House and National Monuments. There's the White House. White House. Treasury. Look at this. U.S. Department of Commerce. We're in the pool area, embassies, Hilton. You can also order takeout from Darcy's Kitchen and Bar inside the hotel. This is the Potomac River. It is 405 miles long and it runs through Virginia, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. This is the location of the FDR Memorial and the MLK Memorial. Washington Monument. Jefferson Memorial is named after the third U.S. President, Thomas Jefferson, and he is also the principal author of the Declaration of Independence.
1/2 mile. Take the ramp. 1/2 mile. Turn right on Arlington Memorial Bridge.
That POTUS? You must walk around to the back of the building to get the tickets for the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, and then you can take the guided tour. Bureau of Engraving and
The
Printing.
Secretary of the Treasury actually has the final word for changes that are made to United States currency. Quality of our product is superior. It has to be superior.
The printing process starts with paper. It may appear as being blank, but when you turn and hold it up to the light, you can see a watermark of the president and a security flag that is embedded into the paper.
We enjoyed this free 30-minute guided tour, and we were able to learn the process of how to make U.S. bills. The building is massive. Pretty big, the printing building and engraving. This is the back side. There's the Washington Monument. This is the Holocaust. U.S. Holocaust Memorial Museum. Grill kebab, Thai kitchen, chili, Charlie's, and extras.